Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely sorry that I'm not able, due to prior commitments, to join you for the 24th session of the WTO General Assembly in Madrid. The fact that this session, however, is taking place is a testament to our collective efforts to overcome the unprecedented challenge posed by the pandemic to the tourism sector and to our way of life. I remember us discussing during the 66th session of the UNWTO Commission for Europe in June a number of initiatives that would enable us to safely reopen our economies and societies. From the activation of the Global Tourism Crisis Committee and close cooperation with the WHO to the global guidelines for safe tourism services, the UN system, and in particular Secretary General Pololikashvili, has played a key role in helping the tourism sector recover. We will continue our efforts working closely with the UNWTO and other international partners to ensure interoperability with other COVID certificates and facilitate safe travel inside and outside our borders. Dear friends, while prudently managing potential risks, it is now also the time to start looking at the future of the travel and the broader tourism ecosystem. As you have highlighted with your choice of themes for this session, environment, sustainability, innovation, rural development, and education will be major drivers for the future of the sector. My colleague and good friend, Commissioner Thierry Breton, is leading this work on behalf of the Commission, engaging with you at the UNWTO tourism stakeholders around the world, as well, of course, the European Parliament and our member states, in a joint effort to define and implement a long-term agenda for the tourism and travel ecosystem. In Europe, a vital vehicle to finance this agenda will be the emblematic Next Generation Recovery Fund, and in particular the Recovery and Resilience Facility. With 22 member states having now their national recovery and resilience plans approved, we are pleased to confirm that many are using these resources to support the travel and tourism sector. This support, with specific targets for green and digital investments, will enable the European tourism sector to take a giant leap towards a post-pandemic world, and I believe will help tourism stakeholders globally to make the same transition. As we showed during the pandemic, when working together, we are unstoppable. We can overcome daunting challenges and make ambitious objectives a reality. I wish you all a productive session, and I very much look forward to joining you at your next conference. Thank you very much.